I've discovered the most demanding AI digital Valentine product on Etsy, ranking up 10 sales in the last 24 hours and generating a total revenue of $13K. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, now is the opportune moment. Let's dive straight into the details without any delay. But before diving into the design process, I needed to access a few other aspects to confirm if the digital design was indeed the right one to create and wasn't saturated. Firstly, I pasted the product name into Etsy's search to access its competition level. I discovered a low competition in the market, and I also saw it as a positive signal to proceed with the design. To conclude my analysis, I utilized this paid tool called Alura to delve deeper into the market insight. Upon creating an account in Alura, I navigated to this shop analyzer option and I copied and pasted the store name for analysis. This allowed me to view the store monthly and total revenue, and I could click on a specific listing to track their revenue since publication. And another valuable free approach was checking the product recent reviews to understand what customers like about the product and dislike, and this will enable us to create a standard product. Before diving into creating this product, I utilized ChatGPT to craft a compelling prompt. Now, for an effective approach, I keep my prompt simple, breaking down the prompt into 3 sections: customization, subject, and style. To begin, I describe our competitor's product image within these 3 components. After crafting the initial prompt, I asked ChatGPT to generate various versions using the same pattern. Remarkably, ChatGPT provided exactly what we're looking for. Now, the subsequent steps involve copying the generated prompt into our image generation platform. While many prefer using Midjourney, this platform requires a minimum monthly payment of $8. And if you're cautious about spending before making a profit, I suggest exploring free alternative, and I have 3 recommendations that could serve as perfect substitute. Consider Leonardo AI as the first alternative. It provides 150 tokens daily for image generation, offering results comparable to Midjourney. Initially, you get full access to its premium services, but after 5 trials, the quality of results may drop compared to the paid version. Another option is Canva AI, the second alternative. It offers 500 tokens every month, and the best part, the images are generated in 4 parts, allowing you to create over 1,000 AI-generated images monthly. And Canva AI provides its own style for you to choose from when creating your prompt. Lastly, consider CGDreams, owned by this 3D selling site CGTrader. The images generated by this AI are impressive. The free version allows you to generate 1 image, but occasionally there might be a queue to get the image generated. Despite the wait, the quality is worth the patience. My next move is to generate the prompt in each of them. After assessing the result, you can determine which one produced the best outcome. I started the process with Leonardo AI, selected image generation, pasted my prompt, and proceeded to generate the prompt. Moving on to Canva, I began by creating a custom size. Next, I selected Canva text to image, pasted my prompt. Then, I click on generate to complete the process. Concluding with CGDreams, I pasted my prompt after creating an account. Eventually, my AI image came out, showcasing the result of the process. Now, having all these AI generated images together, please share your opinion on which one you believe performed better. However, the disadvantages with all these AI platforms is their limitation in generating high-resolution images, potentially resulting in pixelation when printed. To address this, consider using an external tool. One of the most effective tools I have used is Remini from Google Play Store. After uploading your image, select Enhance to have a significant improvement in image quality. Note that sometimes color may alter, so it's advisable to click on color to disable it. With this adjustment, you obtain a high-quality photo. Now, for a crucial tip, showcase your digital product in a Google Drive folder and use the link to create a PDF page. This way, when customers click on download button, it directs them to the downloading folder. And if you're unsure on how to execute this process, watch this video where I give a detailed video explanation on how to get it done. Now, for those who have watched this video until the end, we demonstrate a genuine commitment to success. And for others, they might just be searching for excuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.